Hi, thanks for watching the video. This video is about small space backyard garden design ideas and how we will give you very much useful information along with the tip. Before you start designing your garden, take some time to plan out your space. Consider factors such as the amount of sunlight your garden receives, the type of soil you have, and the size and shape of your backyard. This will help you create a garden that is both beautiful and functional. In a small backyard, it's important to make the most of every inch of space. Consider using vertical space by adding trellises, hanging baskets, or vertical gardens. This will help you maximize your growing space and create a lush and beautiful garden. When selecting plants for your small backyard garden, it's important to choose varieties that are well suited to your space. Consider using impact or dwarf varieties of plants, or choosing plants that are well suited to container gardening. This will help you create a garden that is both beautiful and easy to maintain. In a small backyard garden, it can be helpful to create different zones for different activities. Consider adding a sitting area, a vegetable garden, and a flower garden to create a space that is both functional and beautiful. In a small backyard garden, it's important to use colors strategically to create the illusion of depth and space. Consider using bright colors to draw the eye and create focal points, or using cool colors to create a sense of calm and tranquility. Don't forget to adding lighting to your small backyard garden. Outdoor lighting can help create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your garden and can also help you enjoy your space after dark. By following these tips and tricks, you can create a beautiful and functional small backyard garden that will be envied of all your neighbors. Rustic gardening is a style of gardening that emphasizes the use of neutral materials and a relaxed, informal approach to garden design. If you are interested in creating a rustic garden of your own, here are some tips to get you started. One of the key elements of a rustic garden is the use of natural materials. Consider incorporating elements such as stone, wood, and clay into your garden design. This will help create a new natural and organic feel to your space. When selecting plants for your rustic garden, opt for varieties that have a wild and natural feel. Think about using net plants, wildflowers, and herbs. These types of plants will help create a relaxed and informal atmosphere in your garden. Every garden needs a focal point, and a rustic garden is no exception. Consider adding a large stone or wooden bench, a rustic water feature, or a sculpture made from natural materials to draw the eye and create interest. Texture is an important element in any garden, but it's especially important in a rustic garden. Consider using plants with interesting foliage such as ferns or ornamental grasses, and incorporating different types of mulch or gravel to create texture in your garden beds. One of the best things about a rustic garden is its simplicity. Avoid overcomplicating your design by sticking to a limited color palette and using only a few key elements in your design. Rustic gardens are all about embracing imperfection and celebrating the beauty of natural materials. Don't worry about creating a perfectly manicured garden. Instead, focus on creating a space that feels organic and authentic. Rustic gardening is a style of gardening that emphasizes the use of natural materials and a relaxed, informal approach to garden design. So by following these tips and tricks, you can create a beautiful and charming rustic garden that will be the envy of all your neighbors. At the end of this video, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.